Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cool Super Mario pixel art. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. For this pixel art, we will need a piece of squared paper as the pixels all look like small squares. We are going to be following the lines of the squares, but you guys can use a ruler if you need. The first line will be 2 squares long, going up. Now move to the right, counting 8 squares, and draw a vertical line of 4 squares. Just like this. Now connect the 2 lines with a horizontal line of 8 squares. From here, we're going to move another 8 squares to the right. Draw a horizontal line of 8 squares. With a 2 squares vertical line on the right and a 4 squares line on the left. Go 2 squares inwards on both sides. And go up another 2 squares and close with 2 horizontal lines. This will be Super Mario's shoes. Now choose a color and start coloring them in. I'm choosing brown. I really enjoy coloring this way. Using lines, it makes it very easy to stay within the borders and avoid any white spot. What's your favorite way to color, guys? Now grab a different color and let's draw Super Mario's clothes. Draw 2 squares horizontal lines between the shoes. Go up 2 squares on both sides and join with a horizontal 4 squares line. And draw a 4 squares vertical line going down on the shoe, leaving 2 brown squares on the left. Drag the line on the right. Draw the same 4 squares vertical line. Then go 2 squares leftwards and 2 squares rightwards. Go up 4 more squares, 2 squares left, 2 squares down and 4 squares horizontally. Then up 4 squares again, 2 squares horizontally and down till it meets the line. I know this sounds very difficult, guys, but you can do it, and don't worry, you can always rewind the video and go over my steps as many times as you need. Simply follow me step by step, pause when you need, and re-watch anytime you may get lost. Draw a small square below each sleeve. Simply follow the lines that are already on the page. Now fill in with the color of your choice. I'm sticking to the original colors, so I'm choosing blue. You guys can choose any color you prefer. For my buttons, I chose yellow. Next, let's grab a different color and let's draw the arms. Starting from the same level of the bottom line of the yellow button, draw 2 squares to the right and go 2 squares up. Now 4 squares right and 2 up. 2 to the left and 2 up. 4 to the left and 2 more up. Now, repeat the same exact process for the left side. Now grab the color of your choice and color in. Let's grab a skin-colored pencil and draw a line going 4 squares right and 6 squares up, touching the arm. Now color in. Next, do the same for the left side, just like this. And color in. This will be the hands of our Super Mario. Let's move above his left shoulder and draw a vertical line up 4 squares and a horizontal line of 4 squares. Move to the right and draw a horizontal line of 4 squares. Go 2 squares up and 6 squares to the left. Now grab a marker and follow the exact steps I make. Don't worry, you can pause and rewind if you need. We are going to be drawing Super Mario's hair. Take your time and don't rush it. It's all about having fun. This looks a bit tricky, but I know you guys can do it. Now color in. Grab a dark marker and move to the right to draw Super Mario's mustache. Color in. Grab a pencil and keep drawing the shape of Mario's face, looking to the right. Nose and forehead. Now grab a different color marker and let's draw Super Mario's hat. Great! Now finish coloring in the rest of your Super Mario. Remember to take your time and have fun. And that's it! We have now drawn our cool Super Mario pixel art. Well done, everyone! And remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Harry. Good job! I really like the decoration you used about sea life, and I also really like the fact that you can see all the colors contained in the box. Well done, Harry! If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!